just some more updates on the Radical G20. We started putting on our Purdy washers last night and mounting servos and putting new frame reinforcements and mapping out the wiring and stuff, seeing where we're gonna mount what. And see, we got the elevator servo and the rudder servo is coming here, and it's gonna drop down there and come underneath and come back up. And this is a whole different animal, unlike the electrics, man. This baby has a lot of wires, so I gotta do a lot of it's gonna look nice when I get through with my really neat wiring and decorative wiring stuff I'm putting down now. And this is the way we're gonna leave the 600. And this is the place where we're gonna put the receiver. And she's coming along nice too. I just have to order this connector that's gonna plug into that connector, so I can just turn this switch on and power it on. And then we got the Dominator L swash plate and some other the new red and black parts. And like I said before, I ain't gonna put all that bling into this. I'm trying to restrain myself, man. I'm telling you guys, it's really hard, but not really hard, because this one is pretty. So anyway, that's the gasser. That's the 600. What else we waiting? I gotta get some servo screws to that gasser. I got the wrong size servo screws. Okay, we get the servo screws. I haven't put on the new air cleaner yet, because I believe I might have ordered one from the guy in Canada. So I'll have to send this other one back to Helicopter World. And then this, they advertise this as a 600 size, but that's 90 size blades, and it looks like a 600 size boom. I think it's a 700 because it's got 105 millimeter tail blades, and he has 690 millimeter main blades. So let's put him side by side to the 600. And yep, that's a 700 size tail boom length. So I ordered some new KBDD blades, the same color, just the right size. And the tail blades, I was gonna use these Fusunos, but these are 95 millimeter for a 600 size. So I've ordered up some, I forget the name. They're black with some green and white in them. And I got the tail done, and the linkages in it are the screws I ordered for it. And yeah, coming along nicely. Anyway, thanks for watching, fellas.